But Jamaica's move towards higher technological advancement is being hampered by low levels of foreign and local investments. Already, although we are making progress in some sectors, we must attract more investment for greater growth.
That was Minister of Labor and Social Security, Carl Samuda. He was speaking at the Jamaica Productivity Center World Productivity Day Forum under the theme, Productivity in a Digitized World. The forum was geared towards figuring out how to enhance productivity in a post-pandemic labor market through technology and creating a new normal in a digitized world. During his presentation, Minister Samuda says that there is the need to train the labor force in new technology as it is critical for the advancement of the country.
We must also reorient, nurture, and train the labor force for these technological opportunities and allow them to participate actively in the process. Technology is the way forward. The use of appropriate technology is critical for advancement and development in the industrial world.
He also says that investment into new technologies will result in higher labor productivity.
Investment in research and development will empower and enable firms and businesses to introduce new technological advances. And those who innovate have their higher labor productivity than others.
Now for your market updates. In foreign exchange trading for Tuesday, June 28, the US dollar sold for an average of $151.52. The Canadian dollar ended trading at $119.70. The pound sterling traded for $185.67, and the euro sold for an average of $162.10. The following reflects the movement of the JSE indices in Tuesday's trading session. The JSE index declined by 816 points to close at over 300,000 units. The junior market index declined by 58 points to close at over 4,000 units. The combined market index declined by 1,287 points to close at over 300,000 units. And the All Jamaican Composite Index declined by 883 points to close at over 400,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 107 stocks, of which 33 advanced, 57 declined, and 17 traded firm. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited, 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited Variable Preference, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments Limited, Access Financial Services Limited, and Berger Paints Jamaica Limited. Trading firm were Community and Workers of Jamaica CCU Deferred Share, Consolidated Bakers Jamaica Limited, and Epley 7.50% Preference Shares due 2024. The following companies represent the overall volume leaders: Dollar Financial Services Limited with over 9 million units, Mailpack Group Limited with over 2 million units, and Panjam Investment Limited with over 1 million units. In regional stocks, in Trinidad and Tobago, Clico Investment Fund was the only active security with over 14,000 shares. On the Barbados Stock Exchange, Government of Barbados Bond Series B was the volume leader with over 5,000 shares, followed by Cave Shepherd and Company Limited, which traded 1,000 shares. In regional business, Guyana and other Caribbean countries are working on a new regional plan as part of efforts to attract investors who can fund the region's energy needs. This was announced by President Dr. Ifran Ali on Monday as he spoke at the opening ceremony of Suriname's Oil and Gas Summit. More from Newsroom Guyana.
We are proposing, I had a chat with Prime Minister Rowley, with Minister Stuart Young, President Santoki, and we are proposing to move rapidly on a regional energy strategy, to look at all the potential areas for investment, to bring investors together, bring the markets together, and to see how, as quickly and transparently as possible, we can unlock those opportunities. So by the end of the next quarter, investors can have a fair and clear understanding on what the energy strategy and energy needs of this region will be. and where are the future opportunities.
That was President Dr. Irfan Ali speaking at Surinam's second oil and gas summit, which got underway on Monday. For months, there has been talk of the Caribbean's three oil-rich nations, Guyana, Suriname, and Trinidad and Tobago, working together to guarantee the region's energy security. And now, with plans to also include Barbados and northern Brazil in those efforts, President Ali said that investors can benefit from new opportunities while the region's energy needs are met. Meanwhile, Surinamese President Chandrika Prasad Santokhi also spoke about the need for countries in the region to work together lest they fall short of meeting their developmental needs.
And I'm welcoming all of you. I'm welcome particularly my Caribbean sisters and brothers to benefit from our resources, and I invite them to invest and contribute as contractors and subcontractors in my country. All you have to do is register your business at our Chamber of Commerce and partner with a Surinamese company, and you will be the local content with all the opportunities in the oil and gas.
The Surinamese Oil and Gas Summit will continue until June 30th, and the collaboration between Guyana and Suriname is expected to be a key focus. These two countries are part of the oil-rich Guyana basin that has been attracting international attention. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Fishani Raghaver.
In market data for oil prices gained for a fourth straight session with tight supply worries offsetting concerns about a weaker global economy. Brent crude was up 87 cents or $118.85, and the West Texas Intermediate crude was up $1.20 to $112.96 a barrel. That was the business report on PBC Jamaica. I'm Danita Rodney.